My name is Luna, and today I'm going to share my experience of spending a day at a hotel. This story is designed to help English learners like you practice your listening and speaking skills. So, get comfortable, relax, and let's begin. Last weekend, I decided to take a short trip to the city. I was filled with excitement because it was my very first time staying in a hotel all by myself. Before my trip, I had gone online and made a reservation for one night at a large, well-known hotel. When I finally arrived, I stood outside the building and just looked up. The hotel was so tall and elegant, it was really impressive. Taking a deep breath to calm my excitement, I walked through the automatic doors and into the lobby. It was enormous and incredibly bright. I saw plush, comfortable chairs arranged neatly, a magnificent chandelier sparkling from the high ceiling, and a gentle buzz of activity as people checked in and out with their luggage. I made my way to the front desk. With a polite smile, I said, "Hello, I have a reservation for a room." The receptionist behind the counter smiled back warmly. She asked for my name, typed it into her computer, and then handed me a plastic key card. "Your room is on the second floor, room number 204, she said. I thanked her for her help and walked towards the elevators, feeling a new wave of anticipation. When I reached the second floor and found my room, I slid the key card into the slot and opened the door slowly. I couldn't help but gasp. I was so happy. It wasn't just a room, it was a beautiful suite. There was a huge, inviting bed with fluffy pillows, a soft couch in a little sitting area, a sturdy wooden table. I dropped my bag on the floor and took a moment to look around the room. Everything was spotless and smelled fresh. It felt so comfortable and welcoming. My eyes landed on a laminated menu sitting on the table. It was the room service menu. After my long journey, I was starting to feel quite hungry, so I decided to treat myself and order some food. I picked up the phone next to the bed and dialed the number printed on the menu. A friendly voice answered. I said, "Hi, I'd like to order a pizza and a drink, please." The person on the other end of the line was very kind and replied, "Of course, we can have that sent up to you. Your order will arrive in about 20 minutes." I hung up the phone and settled onto the couch, turning on the television to see what was on. I felt so relaxed and at ease in my own little private space. True to their word, after a short while, there was a gentle knock on the door. It was the bellhop, wheeling a small cart with my food. He was very friendly and helped me set everything up on the table. I ate my delicious hot pizza while watching a movie on TV. The room was so quiet and peaceful. It was a perfect evening. The next morning, I woke up early. The warm sunlight was streaming through the large window, and I felt completely refreshed and rested. After enjoying the complimentary breakfast downstairs, I decided to explore the hotel's amenities. The brochure in my room mentioned a swimming pool and a gym. I went to the pool first. The water was heated to a perfect warm temperature, and it felt so relaxing to slip in. I swam a few slow laps, just enjoying the calm and quiet atmosphere of the pool area. There were only a few other people there. After my swim, I felt happy, energized, and ready for the day ahead. Later that morning, I went to the concierge desk in the lobby. I wanted to explore the city a bit before I had to leave, but I wasn't sure where to go. I asked the concierge, "Excuse me, can you recommend some interesting places to visit that are nearby?" She was incredibly helpful. She unfolded a city map and pointed to a beautiful park not far from the hotel. She explained the best way to get there and even suggested a nice cafe along the way. Her smile was genuine, and I really appreciated her advice. I thanked her and went back to my room to get my things. By the afternoon, it was time to check out. I packed my bag carefully, making sure I didn't leave anything behind. I took one last look around the beautiful room, feeling a little sad to leave. I called the front desk from the room's phone and said, "Hello, I'm in room 204 and I'm ready to check out." Down at the desk, the same friendly receptionist was there. As she processed my checkout, she asked, "Did you enjoy your stay with us?" I smiled broadly and replied, "Yes, I had a wonderful time. Everything was perfect." She wished me a safe journey home. I walked out of the hotel feeling happy, relaxed, and full of good memories. Staying in a hotel was a fantastic new experience for me. I learned a lot, practiced my English in real situations, and enjoyed every single moment of my short trip. I definitely hope to stay in a hotel again someday soon. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. I hope you enjoyed it and that it helps you with your English practice. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more stories like this one. See you next time.